So, before I get into actually what craft I am doing, I want to speak to my budgeting friends. I hope that you stay with me, even though I'm not doing budgeting videos right now. If you were here when I explained, I teach at a small private school, and I don't get paid through the summer. I do have like a booth in a vendor's mall. So I do have what I call my side hustle. But it's not enough. I mean, I'll still save what I can, but it's going to probably go all to, monthly bills. I just try to focus on keeping my head above water in June and July. And so in August, when I start back and start getting paid again, I'll try to, my plan is to, see where I'm at. I may have to start over on certain things, which is, why I was doing my savings to begin with. Hopefully I won't have to break out the Christmas savings. That's the main thing that I want to make sure I have. I want to continue trying to pay extra on my credit, and hopefully not have to use any of it, but we'll see. We will see. So hopefully my budgeting videos will start back in August. But until then, still follow me on Ko-fi, because I plan to play around with my my Ko-fi and upload some more savings, freebies and such as that. Okay, so please don't forget me. Please stay subscribed. I implore you. Because it takes a while to get your subscriptions up, your subscribers up, and then I don't want to lose anyone thinking that I'm not doing anything that they are interested in. But originally this was a crafting channel, so I'm going to still keep on doing my crafts when I can, and it's more than likely than not summertime that I can do more crafting, because I'm not as busy working. And so I just wanted to start off by giving a little what's going on with this channel type thing. And I know I've been MIA here for a few weeks, because the last few weeks of school is so hectic, and I'm just so worn out that there's days that I don't even open my craft room door. And this is where I do all my filming, all my crafting, all my money counting, all of that, everything. So if I don't come in here, nothing gets accomplished. So, yeah. Now, to my crafters, if you're watching, today I am joining in on Martha Makes Art's monthly challenge. I'll have her channel linked below. Anyway, I think it's been a while since I started on this. I'm pretty sure her prompt was birds. And the reason I'm questioning it is because it's turned into more of a flower page than anything. And I'm like, well, did I have that wrong? Was it flowers? But no, I'm almost positive it's about, it was a prompt about birds, because my middle is the bird. It's a magazine page from Birds and Blooms, I think. So I have this lovely picture of, I don't know, it kind of looks like a cardinal, but I didn't know cardinals had yellow. I don't know. But the flowers that were all around this bird made me want to, you know, try to mimic them with some of my what are these called? Goodness, it's been so long since I've done any kind of crafting. I've lost my mind. Die cuts. There we go. There's the word. So I picked out these, and I've just been using white scrap paper from, actually, cutouts from when I cut out my budgeting games and things of that nature. I just sleeve what's left out of the white paper, and I use that for either stamping on or crafting and die cutting. And let's see, I've also got some of these little bitty ones that I can use too, which came from this die cut that I just threw somewhere. Was it this one? Yeah, this one. Okay, so after I do the edges, I take a little makeup sponge thing and do the center. Like so. And I do have a little shimmery gold on this. So on some of them I've used gold. This Brilliance Galaxy Gold. And then after that, I've been using a couple different pens. I was using this one and it's ran out, so now I'm using this pen. It's a Touch. I don't know. I'm not even sure where I got it. I was thinking Dollar Tree, but who knows? And I just do 3 or 4 little lines, curly lines. And bring it out. And I'm not too precious with it at all. Okay, and then after that, I take this red gel pen and I go in at each tip of those lines and make a circle to give like the little pollen dot. Or whatever that's called. I'm questioning everything I know about birds and blooms right now because I'm speaking on the internet. Does anyone else do that? I mean, like, I get on here and I start talking and then I'm like constantly thinking, nobody cares, or you misspoke, or your grammar's off, or that's not how you pronounce that. It's like a constant critic in my head. Nobody cares what your little craft looks like. Why are you doing this? Well, first of all, I'm doing it because it's fun. Second of all, I've got all these craft supplies that I've collected over the years, and I need to do something with them. But why I'm doing them on the internet, I don't know. I enjoy talking to people online. Missed one right there. It's early in the morning. This is my first morning with no school. We do have graduation tonight, though, so I have to go to that because my kinders will be graduating. Yeah, that's always fun. Yesterday was my first it was a half a day, so I got home and my son and I decided to go out to eat. And we drove to the town over, and right before we got to where I wanted to go to eat, my car quit. We coasted into a parking lot, and yeah, had to get my daughter to come and rescue us. And pick us up. So we walked to the nearest Chinese restaurant because that's what I was wanting. It wasn't the restaurant we were going for, but it was the one we could walk to the closest. And we ate there while we were waiting on her to pick us up. And then we went shopping a little bit. She took us to where we were headed. I wanted to go to Ollie's to get me some coffee stuff, syrup. I always get my coffee syrup from Ollie's. It's cheaper and it's sugar-free and it's a good size bottle. So and then this morning I woke up with sore throat. So yeah, I'm starting a summer break off with a bang. With a bang. But you know, just gotta keep on keeping on. Right? Ah, come here. Oh, glory. Oh, I'm starting to get a little hungry. Anytime I have change in my schedule, I don't sleep good. And so I've not slept very well the last week or so. And then last night I was up most of the night. My husband went to the yard sale in Trenton yard sale. So, and I didn't get to go because, like I said, I've got things I've got to do. So I missed out on the yard sale, which is sad. But it happens sometimes. I love going to that thing. He's been calling me and texting me and asking me if I want certain things and all that. Last year we went and I saw a lady that had retired from teaching or changed her job or something. I'm not sure, but she was selling all kinds of teaching stuff. And I was like, oh yes, please. And I got so much stuff off of her. It was wonderful. And then I went and found a lady that was selling her mom's craft stuff. And she was big into Stampin' Up. So there was all kinds of ink that I got. I just missed the punches. I was so disappointed in that. I was happy with what I got. Don't get me wrong. I'm happy with what I got. But, oh, I wished I had got there before the punches got gone, because somebody got a deal and a half, because the whale tail punch was in it. And I've been looking for that for years. I want to find it out in the wild. So bad. That's a goal in my life, to find it out in the wild. But anyway. But it's been a while since I've been able to join in on Martha's little monthly thing, challenge. She has some interesting prompts, and you can always go back and fill in, you know, do the ones you missed or whatever. It's no big deal. So I might do some of those. I don't know. Just something to keep me in here and using my stuff. I gotta use this last one somewhere. Let's see. Let's put it right there. Okay. What do you think? I like it. It was fun. I've been working on this on and off for days. Well, not days. Maybe a day a week. Not consecutive days. Oh, and what am I working in is a insert to a book. Yeah. I tried some Crayola cream sticks here and something else, Jelly Roll Pen. Oh, these are the retired colors. That's what it was. Okay. But anyway, the retired Crayola colors. I was playing around with these. I had the markers and these, which this is cream sticks, and I don't see them anywhere right off where to grab them. They're put up probably, hopefully. But yeah, there you go. Martha, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you all so much for joining me today. You have a blessed, crafty, or no spin, low spin, whatever side of the internet you're coming from. But have a blessed day. Bye-bye.